Guy, I don't lose money. Over $5,000 now, wetin I lose. Money wey I suppose use go flex for village, build house, open, do good road, open borehole. Na him I go lose. So I fuck up. Na me fuck up.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
No, na me fuck up.
Yeah, I know. Na me fuck up. I know. I lost over 5k USD on Fiverr. I mean, look at all the money I lost. Just look at. Anyway, but you win some and you lose some. That's life for you. Okay, so enough of me, enough of my mistakes. This video, I just want to quickly share with you guys 3 things that led to this great mistake of me losing 5k USD on Fiverr. I'm going to share with you 3 things that led to this great mistake, okay, of mine. First of all, my niche. Okay, this is one mistake that led to it. Then secondly, I wasn't communicating enough with my buyers. Okay, then thirdly, I was desperate. Okay, these 3 things, they were the key things that contributed to me losing this amount of money on Fiverr. I know you want to learn from my mistake, isn't it? And you would need all the juicy details. Okay, I'm going to give you the juicy details in a jiffy, but that will be only when you subscribe to my channel. So subscribe, invite your friend, like this video, subscribe. Okay, I'll wait. Have you done that? Okay, thank you for subscribing and turning on the bell notification icon. So let's get to the video. Okay, welcome. I know you are here to get the details in full of how I lost the 5k USD on Fiverr. Okay, and I'm gonna give you that. I'm going to give you that. Okay, so earlier I mentioned that 3 things contributed to why I lost over 5k USD in cancelled orders on Fiverr. Okay, number 1 of it is my niche. Okay, number 2 of it, I'm just giving you a recap. Number 2 is I wasn't communicating enough with my buyers. Okay, then the number 3 is I was desperate. Okay, just hold on, I'll explain that right now. Okay, so let's start with number 1, my niche. Okay, I started off on Fiverr with the writing niche. Okay, so why I said my niche, why I lost this huge amount of money, okay, is because our writing niche is so saturated with United States sellers and British sellers, from people from UK, and most buyers in that category, in that niche, mostly want people that from those countries. Okay, I know I'm good at writing, quite all right. Okay, but when you are not originally from these countries, okay, there are certain mistakes that you make that even softwares like Grammarly, okay, won't even help. Okay, so I was in that niche and I was dealing with so many cancellations, okay, so many low ratings. I was quite good at what I do, don't get me wrong, I was quite good, but being in that wrong niche, like frustrated the hell out of me. Okay, so I could get like 7 orders a week and 3 of them are cancelled. Okay, so you see where that is leading me, is accumulating to this 5k I just mentioned. Okay, so a lot of cancelled orders just because I was in the wrong niche. So you watching this right now, I will advise you to do your research well. I've put up a couple of videos in the past. Go through my channel, you will see it about gig research, about Fiverr keyword research. Okay, so find a niche that you are very, very comfortable with and that that 100% that you can deliver the gigs in that niche. Okay, and that are less stressful, kind of. Even if they're stressful, that the prices are worth it. Over then I was struggling to make 200 USD a month. Okay, with $5 order, $10 order, and all that. Don't get me wrong, writing niche has a lot of subcategories, sub niches. Okay, if I'm you and writing niche, I should go for something like ebook writing. Like that niche is fire. That niche is fire, ebook writing. Okay, so back to why okay, so you see where I'm going to. If you are in the wrong niche, you are bound to lose money. If you are not 100% able to deliver that work, okay, you definitely lose some money. So our advice, make sure you are in the right niche on Fiverr. So away from that, the second thing I mentioned is I wasn't communicating enough with the buyers. Okay, so here is why. Before yesterday I uploaded a video which talked about how I landed the $850 order. Okay, I explained how my communication with the buyers are. Okay, so it's okay, so yesterday I put up a video talking about how I landed $850 order on Fiverr. Okay, and you guys saw the communication, okay, with the buyer back and forth. Okay, I was trying to get every juicy details, okay, trying the convention, get all the details, and make sure that I should be able to do this work. I am able to do this work, okay, and to be able to give him 100% what he wanted. Okay, so but on my part, as of then, I wasn't communicating enough. Okay, I was so poised on getting that order and getting on with it, and maybe on the way get some details. But that's not how to do things. That's not how to do it. Make sure, okay, that before someone places an order, except okay, they went direct to the purchase button. Okay, so make sure that before someone you send an offer, make sure that you get every details of what the person is talking about that project. If it's an ebook, make sure that you guys agree on the price. Make sure that you guys talk about the duration. Make sure that you guys talk about the ebook cover, the design, the tone of writing, every single detail of that project. Make sure that you agree with that customer, okay, and you are on the same page before you even get started. If not, definitely at the long run you end up wasting your time doing that order, and that order getting cancelled. Okay, let me give you a quick tip at this junction. Okay, to avoid this, I know that some people go direct to place order. Okay, so make sure that your pricing, every detail, every package you set up on your gig is what you should be able to deliver. Okay, if on your gig you mention that people are getting 500 words in a day, make sure that you're able to do that. If you aren't, most of them will just go straight and cancel that order, and you lose money. Do you see where I'm going with this? Okay, I hope you guys got the gist. Then the last one on why what led me to losing this amount of money is I was kind of desperate. Okay, I was so boist on, let me get the order, I'll do it, I need order, I need this, I need, like, please order, come and meet me. That was me, like, at that point in time. But it wasn't all the best. I wasn't, this isn't what should be on my mind. My mind should be to deliver this service, make this customer happy, and in turn get a good review, land a returning customer, and get some tips. Okay, this is what should be on my mind. Not I need order. Everybody needs order, don't get me wrong, but that desperation, okay, that you haven't gotten all the details from the customer, and you already sent a customer offer and the customer accepted, then you get the juicy details. Trust me, that order is going to be cancelled. Okay, so these three things are what led, what contributed immensely to what, like, me losing this particular amount you just saw, okay, in 52 cancelled orders on Fiverr. I mean, that's so huge. Okay, so, and I won't want the same for you. So make sure that you get everything right, that you are in the right niche, number one, that you get enough communication and enough details for that project from your customer, and also that you ain't desperate, and you give yourself time for you to get all the juicy details and deliver quality work. I hope you guys learned a lot, and if you did, please, Anthony is begging you. We are chasing 10k sub is our goal. Please, if you are watching this video right now, the least you could do for me is to please hit on that red subscribe button, okay, and the bell notification icon, so that whenever I publish a video, you'll be notified. This is Tony, your boy, saying bye for now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, if you have lost money on Fiverr, I would like to get it in the comment section. Let me know the amount of money you have lost on Fiverr. How much is it? Is it 10k? Is it $200? Is it $500? Let me know accumulatively in the comment section.